Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a MI-T-M 2400 PSI power washer. I guess when you put it all together, MyTM, I guess. I don't know if that's like some big box store power washer or like Harbor Freight or something, but they tried starting it. They broke the rope, so we're going to put a new rope on there and see if we can't get it running. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we got three 10mm nuts on top. And the recoil just sits on there like that, so the spring ain't broke. I don't think so. I'll just cut this old cord. Oh, there's something going on with the spring in here. So I guess we're gonna take that bolt out of the center and see if the spring is broken there or what. Now let's take this recoil apart, see what's going on the inside of it. Don't lose that spring there. We got like little springs on these dog legs. Spring looks good. It just looks like it came off. Here, I'll show you here. Clean this up a little bit. There's like a big hook on the spring right here. And there's like a hook right here where that goes in. So that evidently must have. Oh, there we go. Didn't really want that, but that thing was bent anyway. So I'm going to wipe that off and we'll restring that spring. So on this side here, that hook right there goes right in there. You can either do it this way or you can wind it up and use a pair of pliers and squeeze it in there, but we'll try it this way first. So this should be on this side over. That's what I was trying to show you before it fell apart. It should be like about right there. Kind of something like that. So we get hooked on that little hook right there. So let's try it again. There we go. It fell into place there. So let's go ahead and put this spring back in there. And there's two open spots right here. That's for these two dog legs to go out. Well, they make these things so cheap anymore. Okay, now them two dog legs come out now. That's what we want. So what we need to do now is get our rope. Okay, I got the new rope. The rope that was on there was a size 4. And I melted the ends and then put a knot in one end here. So now let's go ahead and wind this up. Put a screwdriver in there so it don't unwind itself. And there's our hole where the rope goes out. And our hole right here. Now we'll put our rope grip on. Make sure both dog legs are coming out. Alright, now we're going to go and put it back on the motor. See if we can't get this started. And I'll put our shroud back on. Okay, need to put some gas in here. I'm going to put a little water in the pump so we don't run the pump without any water in it. See if we can't get it started. Okay, put some water in there. You can see the water all over the table. Turn the switch on. Try the choke out ones here. I don't want to run it too long because there's not pressurized water on it, but anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching, and you have a good afternoon. Bye.